Hi everybody, my name's Delilah. I'm the owner of Alta Baja Market. I'm sure if you've been in the store, you've probably seen me because I basically live here. Anyways, as you see maybe on Instagram or through our newsletter, we have a couple of different to-go food items to take care of you while we're quarantining ourselves. And one of them is our Michelada fan pack. And for those of you out there who don't know what a Michelada is, it's a beer cocktail. And today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to prepare this, so you're not just stuck at home with all of these things and you don't know what to do and you just want a Michelada and then you get frustrated and we want to make you happy. So anyways, here's my tutorial. First, you are going to grab a glass, preferably if it's cold, it's so much better, especially if it's getting hot outside. And the next thing that you need is a piece of lime. And we actually are going to supply those for you in your kits. And the one thing I forgot to get was a lime and a cutting board. So let me do that right now. Gotta prepare, folks. See, I didn't do that. Anyways, because you're gonna get a lime like this, it's not gonna be cut for you. So what you wanna do is take your lime and you're gonna cut it into 6 pieces. Some of them you can use for garnish, or maybe you want some tequila shots afterwards. You want to use this after, it's your call, your life. So anyways, you see I got 3 from one side, I'm gonna get 3 from the other. The point is, you're gonna take one of these wedges and you're going to moisten your glass. Now, some people like to, see I did a little slit in there. Some people like to rim the whole glass, and some people like to just rim part of the glass and leave the other glass without any salt. I like tahini, so I am going to rim the whole thing. And then in your package, you're going to get a little 2-ounce container of tahini. It's like this chili, limey, salty, delicious thing that basically no michelada should be without. Anyways, I'm gonna pour it all into a small shallow dish, and then I'm gonna take my moist cup and I'm going to tap it into the tahini. And so you can do it like this, or you can do it like that. I think that's more of a traditional way, but I'm all for lots of tahini, so anyways, I'm gonna do it like that. Get a nice thick rim on there. And so after that, we're gonna use our mix. And so you're gonna take your empty tahini container. This is about 2 ounces, and that's the perfect amount to start with. You're gonna pour 2 ounces. This is a little full, we don't give it that full because it'll spill everywhere, but 2 ounces, and you're gonna pour it into your drink, or your glass. And then the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your El Sully. This is the beer that you're actually gonna get with your kit. It's a Mexican style lager from 21st Amendment, which is based out of Los Angeles. Crack that puppy open, pour it into your cup. It's rocket science here, folks, Very difficult. It's foaming a little bit. That happens with some of our mixes. You just let it settle. Shouldn't be going anywhere anyways. You want to enjoy your beverage. Mix it a little bit. You don't want to take the bubbles out of the beer, but you do want to make sure that all of the mix is not settled on the bottom, because you don't want that last drink to be pure mix. That's a little intense. Just mix it a little bit and add the rest of the beer. Okay. And this is where typically here at Alta Baja, we do 3 ounces of mix. So that would be one of these plus another half of one of these. This is not set in stone, people, okay? So you can do whatever you want. What I would suggest you do is you try it at this point and see if it's the amount of intensity that you like. So I'm not tasting enough mix. I'm also used to our 3 ounces, so I'm gonna do another 1.5 ounces of mix. That's why we give a little bit extra, so you can play around with that. Oh yeah, this is good. If you haven't had La Chiquita, you better get on this because it's delicious. One of our most popular micheladas. The next thing you want to do is you want to fill this up with ice. Again, that's your call. If you don't like ice, nobody's gonna hate you. And then you're gonna grab your garnish, which for this cocktail, it's a little piece of chili mango, which is kind of how the drink tastes. You're gonna stick your toothpick through the mango, place it like that, and then you're done. And that's how you make a michelada. Thank you.